Hello and welcome to InvestorToday.ca. InvestorToday.ca brought to you in conjunction with RBL Communications, your online IR professionals. It's Friday the 26th of April and we are coming to you live from the Chicago Resource Expo. Joining us again this year, Kim Harris. Kim Harris, who is the president and CEO of Sika Resources located in Tanzania. Kim, always a pleasure to see you.
Well, good to see you too, Dave.
And I hope I got everything correct on that.
Yes, absolutely.
There we go. Now, we're standing in front of some of these really incredible maps that I'm sure the viewers are wondering, wow, what exactly is that? And we're going to get Kim to take us through exactly what we're looking at and talk about what Sika Resources is. Now, you haven't gone public as yet, and I know that you're still talking about putting out an IPO and maybe doing that in the later part of this year. But it seems to me that you've managed to do some incredible work without having to go public as yet. Can we talk about that?
Yes, in a way, given all the conditions of the markets today, we're lucky to be private, and that gives us an opportunity to get quite a few things done in the meantime while we're waiting for the price of gold to recover and the markets to recover. So just to let you see where we are, we're in Tanzania, and in the Lake Victoria gold fields. That's where we've decided to be, and we're only focusing on gold at this time. The 4 projects that we have are strategically located in terms of the trends in Tanzania. You can see the northwest trend. We're right well within that trend. And within that trend, we also are along the north-south structures. You can see there where all the mines seem to line up in the north-south. We're right there. In addition to that, we've got some very good indications that the geological merits of our properties indicate quality and very good potential moving forward. So the strategy we have at this stage while we're still private is to raise money, enough money for us to do work on the Mtundu project, which is our priority project. That is because it's got the Jubilee Reef mine that is a past producer. It had grades of 46.8 grams. It was being mined quite actively at one time, and there are all kinds of historical anecdotes about that mine that make it very interesting. But from our point of view, geologically speaking, it's important in that the Jubilee Reef sits on that reef over there. As you can see, that ridge more or less. And the structures, according to the geophysics that we're doing, indicate that the substructure of that ridge there lies under the Mtundu project. So we're extremely hopeful that our work is going to produce some very interesting results. We've just started work on the north end of the project here, and we should be, I would hope, be getting results in maybe 3 months or so.
So we're talking
in the field for the next few weeks.
So we're talking about a pretty significant structure here along this fault, and it looks like we could see some pretty significant returns then on that.
Well, that's what we're expecting. You know, we have we're expecting good results. A lot depends, of course, on the laboratories. We'll have to wait. They have the last say in these things. But from where we sit, the geology looks pretty good. We seem to be in the right location, the right structure, and with the right neighbors. One thing I should point out is in the area where we are, there is no one there that has a deposit less than 2.5 million ounces. So we are being on trend in both the northwest and the north-south. Then we were quite hopeful that something will happen.
So again, we're talking about a significant neighborhood, we're talking about a significant structure, and we're talking about some pretty significant numbers as well, aren't we, Kim?
Well, that's what we're looking forward to, and we're hoping that the work, when we get the results, that should give us a good indication of where we should possibly be drilling. And we would like to go forward with those drill targets well in place, and then we can look at how the markets are behaving at that time where we are with the price of gold and start to really shape our IPO moving forward.
So once again, the company is Sika Resources. I've been speaking excuse me, with Kim Harris, who is the president and CEO of Sika Resources. They are located in Tanzania. And as she said, great neighborhood, great structure, great fault, should be a great return. Once this company is listed on the exchange, you're going to want to definitely be a part of this one. Kim, I want to thank you for being here yet again, and hopefully we'll see you the next time we're here.
Yes, I just want to add the website for us for further information. It's sikaresources.com, and you'll be able to get maps and reports that are current there, and any questions you might have, you can also please address them to us at info@sikaresources.com.
Okay, well, I want to thank the viewers for tuning in. Thank you again, Kim. I'm Dave Glover for InvestorToday.ca. We'll see you next time.